Alright, content creators, today I'm going to share something that's going to elevate your Instagram game to a whole new level. I'm talking about a 30-day content plan that's designed to boost your engagement, grow your followers, and make your Instagram feed look amazing. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First things first, planning is essential. Your content needs to be diverse and engaging. So, let's break down this 30-day plan week by week. Week 1. Establish your theme and aesthetic. Decide on a color palette, filters, and overall vibe. Consistency is key here. Start with an introductory post about yourself or your brand. Follow it up with behind-the-scenes shots. Share your workspace or your daily routine. Don't forget to engage with your audience by asking questions in your captions. Week 2. Share value. Post tips, tricks, and how-tos related to your niche. This is the week to showcase your expertise. Create carousel posts that provide step-by-step guides. Use Instagram stories to give quick, valuable insights. Remember, the goal is to offer something your followers can benefit from. Week 3. User-generated content and collaborations. Reach out to your followers and ask them to share their experiences with your product or service. Feature their posts on your feed. This not only builds community but also provides social proof. Collaborate with other creators in your niche for a takeover or a shout-out exchange. Week 4. Showcase testimonials and results. Share success stories, testimonials, and case studies. This builds trust and credibility. Use Instagram Reels to show before and after transformations. Go live and interact with your audience in real time. Throughout these weeks, remember to use relevant hashtags, engage with your followers by liking and replying to their comments, and keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working best. Now let's talk about some bonus tips. Firstly, plan your posts in advance using a content calendar. This helps you stay organized and consistent. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats like IGTV, Reels, Stories, and Carousels. Variety keeps your audience interested. Finally, always stay true to your brand. Authenticity resonates more than perfectly curated posts. Your followers want to connect with the real you. So there you have it. A 30-day content plan to boost your Instagram presence. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your engagement soar. If you found this plan useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips. Catch you later, creators.